Hello everyone and welcome to Pattern Making for Fashion Design Part 5. Actually, this is a combination of pattern making and advanced draping. This is really exciting. We're going to start with bias grain lines, cutting garments on the bias, the properties of bias cut dresses. We'll work with asymmetrical designs, a one-shoulder dress for example, and center front on the bias. I will show you how to make a peg skirt, how to drape it, and I will also show you how to make one using pattern drafting. I will show you how to drape a skirt with a cowl on the side seam. Very unusual, very dramatic. We'll focus on adjusting a pattern, modifying the measurements of a pattern to fit yourself or a specific customer. It's a combination of pattern making and draping. So, roll up your sleeves. I will see you in class.